Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to get the Trident Rod quickly with no grinding or requirements. If this guide helps you, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and drop a comment to help others share. So first up, you want to get scuba gear. First, equip the scuba gear. You'll need to navigate the Desolate Deep. Now, once diving into Desolate Deep, you want to follow this clip if you're unsure where to go, or have a friend like I have here showing me where to go. There's a lot of people that want to help. Now, usually there are requirements. So once you find the Shrine of the Trident, it's a glowing entrance. You can't miss it. The trick is to have the other player who has 100% index and the enchant relics. They're gonna open the door for you. They're gonna do all the work for you and open up that door for you. And once they do, you're gonna just walk right in and go ahead and grab yourself the Trident. So there you have it. Grab scuba gear, dive down, and find the shrine. Simple, right? See you guys next time.